Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, a comprehensive guide to Python pandas merge with conditions. Introduction. When working with data in Python, particularly with large datasets or multiple data sources, the ability to merge and combine datasets efficiently becomes crucial. Pandas, a powerful data manipulation library, provides the merge function that allows you to merge data frames based on specified conditions. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use the pandas merge function with conditions, along with practical examples. Prerequisites. Make sure you have pandas installed. If not, you can install it using understanding the pandas merge function. The merge function in pandas is similar to SQL join operations. It takes two data frames and combines them based on a specified column or index. The basic syntax for the merge function is merging with conditions. Merging with conditions allows you to filter rows based on specific criteria. Let's consider a practical example. Example, merging data frames with a condition. In this example, we're merging two data frames, left_df and right_df, based on the ID column. The how equals inner parameter ensures that only rows with matching IDs in both data frames are included in the result. Additional condition. You can also add additional conditions using Boolean expressions. Let's modify the example to include an additional condition. Here, we're only including rows where the salary is greater than 50,000 in the right data frame. Conclusion. The pandas merge function is a powerful tool for combining datasets based on specific conditions. By understanding how to merge with conditions, you can perform complex data manipulations and extract valuable insights from your data. Experiment with different merge types and conditions to handle various scenarios in your data analysis projects. ChatGPT.